Hi kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another math video. This time we'll be covering surface area in our interactive notebooks. To start, we're going to define surface area. Now there are a couple ways for you to do this. Either look up surface area on Google or a trusted website. Look it up through Google Slides using tools and then definition. Or in my case, I'm going to look it up through a book. So in my book, I like this definition, so I'm going to type it down. If you like it too, you're welcome to join me. This says surface area is the area of a 3D shape's surface. I'm going to zoom in so I can see it a little bit better. To zoom in, you go over here to this magnifying glass. Left click on what you want to zoom in and unclick it so you don't keep zooming in and out. This said I spelled this wrong, but I'm trying to be possessive, so it is actually right, and I'm going to tell it to ignore it. Now, next, we have this column that says name of shape, number of faces, show your work, and surface area. So the easiest way for me to do it is to just look at one and work my way down. So this shape has triangles and rectangles. This is what we call a triangular prism. Now if I look at it, I see two triangles and I see three rectangles. Now if you notice, there's a big gap between triangles and rectangles. If I click the box itself and then go here where it says line spacing, it says remove space after paragraph. I want to do that so that I don't have that huge space. I'm also going to adjust the box so that my rectangles is right next to my 3. Another way I could fix this is by changing the size of the font or the type of font. Now, showing my work. So what I have to do is find the area of the 2 triangles and the 3 rectangles. I'm in luck in that the 3 rectangles are the same and the 2 triangles are the same. So by using the formula for rectangles, which is length times width. I just replace length and width. I'm going to actually keep this formula here so I know what I'm doing. I'm going to put another equals. Going to get rid of that extra space here. My length for this is 12 and I times it by 6. That equals 72, and since I have 3 of them, I have to multiply that by 3. And that gets me 216. Now I did that with a calculator, and you're allowed to use calculators as well. Now I'm going to move on to triangles. Triangles equal b times h divided by 2. So for my triangle, my base is 6 because that's the length of the rectangles. My height is 4. It's this line right here in the triangle, and since these 2 triangles are the same, I don't have to worry about that, and then I divide by 2. Now, 6 times 4 is 24. And then once I divide that by 2, it's going to equal 12. But since I have 2 of them, I have to multiply by 2. And that gets me 24. Now, my final step is to add them. So I add my 216 to my 24 to get my total surface area, which gives me the answer, which would go down here where it says surface area. My answer is 240. It does say centimeters, so I do have to put centimeters. And then remember, to get the little 2, because this is area, we got to go to Insert, go down to Special Characters, and look up Superscript. And here's the little 2. And there we go. Now, I'm going to give you the titles of the other 3, and you do exactly what I did here. So the title for this one is called a triangular pyramid. This one is called a rectangular prism. This is a cube. And this is called a square pyramid. And you would do the same thing here for these ones. What shape you have and how many you have of them. Here, you do exactly what we did here. If we have, for example, this is 4 triangles, you do the triangles, base times height divided by 2, and then multiply by 4 because we have 4 triangles. Same with this one, the cube, and the square pyramid. Don't forget to put your answer down here. You're welcome to put it here like this, but I will be looking for them here as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you next time.